Nasa'yo na ang lahat, minamahal kita pagkat nasa'yo na ang lahat.
I like Meg's little brother, Charles Wallace, because in his age, he knows many things and is incredibly wise.
Among the characters in the book, I like Meg a lot because I can see myself in her. She can control her feelings and sometimes very courageous.
I like the part where they are traveling through the light across the universe.
I like the part where Meg saved Charles and they came back home with their father, where they landed into Danny and Sandy's vegetable garden.
I like this book because it explains many scientific things that I don't know.
I like reading this book because while I'm reading it, my mind is so full of imaginations and I can totally feel myself inside.
I learn more about the corners of the universe and some values that I can do.
I learned that every moment with our family is gold, so we need to cherish it. At first, I thought that A Wrinkle in Time isn't a sci-fi book because of its cover, but when I read it, it really is a sci-fi book because of the dimensions of the galaxies that is stated in the book, and also the characters travel in the universe using a light.
I recommend you this book because it can teach you a lot of new things, values, and you can gain new knowledge. It is also an amazing sci-fi book because it has been added with humor and adventure.